Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys some of my tips and tricks on how to use your Instagram stories. I know there are so many things that's obvious, but there are some things that actually people don't think it's possible, so you can use that to spice things up and get more views and yeah, just make things more interesting. I show this, just picked something up. This is very random, but anyways, so first thing I'm going to show you is has to do with the story, with the hashtags and also location. So if you put the location, see, it's very random. See, one thing you can do is to make it really small and push it in the corner, like all the way in the corner. See, it's gone, but it's still technically part of the slide. So it still counts and it will still show up if someone actually views the New York stories. And you can do the same thing with hashtag. Let's say YouTube. Oops, I can't spell all of a sudden. And choose like one of these and make it small, push it in the corner, gone. So it still will count as one of the hashtags and it will still show up, so that will increase your views. Okay, another thing you can do, which I learned from actually Matt Crump. He's one of the famous graphic designers on Instagram. So let's say I'm gonna look for neon, and let's say I do this right, and I'm gonna make this like whole big screen. It's like this. And from this, see, it's like the whole screen. You use the eraser. Well, you make the background all black or white. Then you use the eraser to write something. Let's say, I'm gonna say it, Murs. See, this looks very cool. And it's like you didn't do anything. You just blow up the whole GIF and just saved it, and afterwards you just color the background any color you want. I just picked white, then you can just delete it. Use this app that I generally use. It's called Unfold, and a lot of people have been using it. I'm sure you have seen it around. This just adds like a nice aesthetic. This just makes it look really cool, and too, it looks really nice. And these are some of the features, and this is from the last event I put it up. So it just makes a really cool slide and story. See, it's like you can, it totally looks like Instagram stories. So this is definitely a good to manage your stories and also make it really cohesive if you really want to. Say you want to share someone else's post on your stories. Let's say I'm gonna search for, I always do this, like my therapist says. See, this is like a meme account, and let's say I don't want them to like just make it look all the way. So you can do either this or this, which is very basic, but you can also expand it or just put it all the way down and just rest. You can just color it like this. It's just totally up to you. You can color it like this. See, it's just done, and not as bad now. Like, it doesn't look like you copied from someone else. There's so many things you can do with this lens because you can move it around. You obviously can make it full screen, but since this is a meme, it wouldn't make sense unless you just want to have face of Anna Hathaway, so you can do that too. So that's definitely a good option to try, so I would recommend that. Let's say you don't have anything to post and you just want to post something really, you know, like some code or something. You should always search for the GIF, because this GIF, I mean, obviously it's not huge, but they have good stickers. Let's say I'm gonna look for Saturday. Actually, what's my Friday? See, there are so many cool ones. Let's say I picked this one. Like, you can put this one like that, or you can do this. It's very cool. And you can change the background as well. So let's make it this, maybe this. So that kind of looks cool. So you can play around that, and you can also draw it too. that's kind of cool. So I hope you guys like this video. If you do like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys find these tips and tricks helpful, and if you want any more tips and tricks on how to use Instagram or any sort of social media that I have been using a lot, mostly Instagram, I would love to help you guys out.